Hello and welcome to the Beerman Fan TV. It's the uncensored match preview show as San Miguel Beermen will play at home against the Barangay Ginebra San Miguel. This is a South Ortigas derby held at the PhilSports Arena in Pasig City tomorrow night. Tip-off is 5:15 p.m. Pacific time. First things first, San Miguel Beermen have a great win last game against Blackwater Elite, and San Miguel Beermen is looking for win number 4 to move up to second place. This time against the heavyweights of Barangay Ginebra San Miguel. Sa Barangay Ginebra San Miguel, mayroon silang rookie na isa na dapat iingatan niya against the Beermen side. Ay wala nang iba kundi si Earl Scotty Thompson na naglalaro siya noon sa Perpetua in the collegiate days. Now, they have a level up na big men guys with the likes of Japet Aguilar and Greg Slaughter, which means San Miguel Beermen have difficult game to match up with the likes of Junmar Fajardo and Arvin Santos. Alex Cabagnot is the one will guide in the starting five. Nonetheless, Ronald Tubid is also will be on the lineup first until the end of the first quarter. So, lalo bang intensified yung laban para bukas. Kaya yun ang matindi doon. Anyway, ang starting five sa akin will be Junmar Fajardo, Arvin Santos, Ronald Tubid, Alex Cabagnot, and Chris Lotz. Kakayanin ba nila ang mga men's squad ng Beermen sa tamis ng Barangay Ginebra? Nako, lalo pang mahihirapan ito. Matindi nga yung laban para bukas ng hapon eh. Kaya yun ang basehan sa kaano ng kalakasan at kaano katangkad ng mga player. At maganda doon, magkakaroon sila ng may tinding matchup like Junmar Fajardo against Greg Slaughter, the Cebuano rivalry in one SMC franchise squad. So, magandang ang laban para bukas, kaya mahihirapan ng San Miguel para dito. Di naman gaano kadali yung laban, kaya iisipin nila na parang bagong kampiyon kontra sa malakas na hiyawan ng mga barangay. Kaya we have to watch out for that. Anyway, let us tell us in the comment section below. Do you agree with my current lineup? Same as the lineup of the starting five formation last time against Blackwater Elite na under na policy ni Coach Leo para dito? Tell us sa comment section below. At huwag kalimutan na i-like ang Facebook account sa The Beerman Fan TV. Hit a like button right now. Kung gusto mong subscribe sa YouTube, subscribe now. Hit a subscribe button on the YouTube channel at Beerman Fan TV. And follow us on Twitter, Instagram at the Beerman Fan TV. Same as it is. So, yun na yan. Anyway, salamat sa pagtutok sa The Beerman Fan TV. I'm Andrew Alvaro. And I will see you in the live game, I think. Anyway, forget it. I'll see you and I'll see you. Inshallah. Bye.